Good morning. Day 5 and some high energy Italian soup meal. I had bought it from home, so see early mornings breakfast is this here. They have kept a lot there, so that samosa is rolling out. These guys early morning breakfast is all this samosa and that buns etc. So basically there is no breakfast sort of thing here. It's all these buns, samosas, and see this guy rolling something there. See that. So that's the reason that we carried the soup and bele bath and the rice stuffs etc. So oh, this is Pushkar Lake. Oh, we're directly in front of the Pushkar Lake itself. No need to go anywhere else.
So what I can help you? Some chai, coffee?
No chai coffee. We just want to know. See, there says 52 doors here.
Yeah.
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 What does that 52 doors mean?
That is belong from to Maharaja.
Oh.
We have so many in Rajasthan, million of Raja, Maharaja people we call. They are like before we are in a spiritual. We are donation so many things, you know. We have some money, gold, everything. So that time we are donation like this kind of building making, and they to give to for Brahmin people.
Okay.
And the Brahmin living there make a puja ceremony every time. And when is a Pushkar festival time, like after Diwali, so this Maharaja family come and someday stay in this place, you know. So belong like that, you know. It's all belong from this place.
Okay.
It's almost properties belong to Maharaja families. Yeah, about 200 years, 300 years before. Or they donation for Brahmin. So this is belong for now for Brahmin families. Altogether. Now, Pushkar is a very important. It's not lake. It's gate is not important. No? Pushkar is a lake. Water is a very important.
You have to bath?
Yeah. If you don't have a time bath, so that's to test. Like we in Panchasnan in India, from head to eyes to mouth, clean the there, ceremony there. But here people come, three kind of people for Pushkar. Pushkar is a holy place, not touristic place. Okay, now we listen from tourists and this and so many camel safari, but not like that, you know. This is belong for to Pushkar Lake. Brahma is not name of town, not name of temple, name of lake. Like a same, like a Haridwar, Prayag. So similarly, this is a lake. Brahma Rupena Pushkara. If we say Brahma where they live, in water living Brahma. All Brahma is always this. Like we call to the Ganjandhar Moksha Pushkarni. Vaikuntha Vishnu. This is a place of paradise from Vishnu also. Then south is a very, very famous and to popular and to pray on Ganjandhar Moksha Pushkar. So this is a belong from Ganjandhar Moksha Pushkar. This is made from Brahma and Brahma wife and second wife from Gayatri. You know Gayatri mantra?
Mantra.
Yeah. This is belong from Pushkar. You know, she born from Pushkar. You know. And the second is here we have to people come three kind of here. Like you are come to a simple way, like it's just normal way to come. So they pray for self, to family, wish for family, for friends, everything, to successful life and health and everything. And second, we are doing to puja for pray for our angels who are die, our grandfather, grandmothers, any family concerns and die. So we will call an Pindadan. And if you don't have a Pindadan time, so we call an Hindi and like, we go in Tarpan. Dusri Tarpan is very important to give. You know. So then we give to they are getting moksha, all our family who die, and they blessing for our life, you know, for success for our life. Or second, we say we have a two kind of God in India. Everyone have one God, yes, but we have two God in India. First God we belong for temple and rivers, lakes. And second we say our angels, our father, mother is a God. So this is we say very important who want to come to Pushkar. They recognize for to our angels people to pray from them, you know. So their happiness come, their blessing for our life, our to successful journey. So that's why this people come to Pushkar.
ओ स्नान करना है.
स्नान नहीं करना है तो जल का छींटा दीजिए, आपके मन का करे. जल का समय है, पैसे का बात नहीं है. Go make a puja, lake Pushkar lake, and take good luck. And if you someone die in family, you recognize from them to give to water. This is a very successful journey. मैं तो आपसे निवेदन कर सकता हूँ. You are coming, जैसे बनना है. You are coming now in Pushkar, so best go down, make good luck, good journey for you and futures. And who are someone family can die, to pray from them. You know. This is for water. If you like, you feel some donation from Brahmin, you give it. Not pushing, that you have to give, you give to this kind of money.
No.
Not like that. Yeah, this is not possible. You are like a dil se diya hua daan hota hai. वो good luck for me also, good luck for another, for you also.
Yes.
No? So this is very important thing. Actually. If you like, you can come, you can do.
Okay.
Yeah, most welcome.
You are doing it?
Yeah, you can come my ashram. I'll show you my ashram.
Okay. Give me 2 minutes. I'll come back.
Yeah.
Pushkar Lake in the evenings, this or the sunset, this would be much more good. So, slight puja done. First, Pushkar Lake in Rajasthan, 50 kilometers from Ajmer. This is one of the holiest lake for Hindus. So many pujas and rituals for the past ancestors is been undertaken here. You can see here too, here, everywhere. There are around 52 doors here in this lake. See there also. Basically, puja to the ancestors, puja to the families, puja to our own ancestors who have passed away, puja to our own. And to come here, this has to call you to come here. And the sadhu said it has to be written in your kismat or in your beliefs. So now we are heading back to Jodhpur via Baba Ram temple. Radhe Radhe, Ram Ram. Peace. Day 5 lunch. Rice, dal, dal, rice, dal. Same thing each day, every day. Jodhpur, how it is. No lane disciplines, no zebra crossings, nothing here. If you want, you can stand anywhere, but you have to stand on the signal, that's all. See there? If you want, you can stand, or else it's your wish. It's your wish if you can go. See, no helmet. People, 2-3 people are sitting on one bike and going. 3 people in that one failed also. ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಬಜಾಜ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ ತಿಕ್ಕ ಕೈತೀವಿ. ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. जी मेरा गाड़ी में OPS एरर आ रहा है.
भरत जी
हाँ?
भरत जी
क्या
भरत जी
क्या है वो?
वही करते KTM है,
ना बजाज डोमिनर।
डोमिनार है।
हाँ
कौन सा एरर है? हेलो,
LOP
कोई है ये LOP एरर आ रहा है किसी कस्टमर के।
LOP क्या होता है?
लो ऑयल प्रेशर।
लो ऑयल प्रेशर, डोमिनार 400।
यार कल बुलवाना, अभी स्टाफ नहीं है, वो अभी है नहीं कोई।
क्या
चला
नहीं आता है? इसका स्पेयर दे दो मेरे को।
नीचे जाके बात कर लो आप, घूम लो इस पे नीचे
ये कल आने के लिए मैं पूछ लो एक बार, होता है?
नीचे जो नीचे है वो भी
नीचे है क्या? बजाज का एडवाइजर का है,
ऊपर बैठे है ना।
ऊपर बैठा है, नीचे आने के लिए बोला है।
बजाज या KTM
बजाज
क्या करवाना?
LOP आ रहा है, एरर आ रहा है।
डोमिनार में मैंने ही बोला था ये कल आना, अभी स्टाफ नहीं है।
ठीक है।
मेरे से बात हुई थी भैया की, LOP का कुछ कह रहे थे ना,
हाँ
मतलब कल आ जाना, अभी स्टाफ नहीं है। डोमिनार जो चेक करता है ना वो स्टाफ नहीं है।
हाँ
ये जो नॉर्मल छोटी मोटी गाड़ी कर लेते हैं, डोमिनार का जो मैकेनिक है ना वो है।
अच्छा, मेरे को एक ये स्पेयर दे सकता है क्या?
स्पेयर एक बार पता कर लो अंदर, यहाँ पे पता कर लो स्पेयर पार्ट।
सब सिस्टम है उसमें तो,
हाँ
सब सिस्टम है।
मतलब?
म्यूजिक बजता है उस गाड़ी।
हाँ अलग से डालना पड़ता है। ಆಯಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅದೇ DK 101225 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಅದೇನಾ? ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಾ? ಅದೇನಾ? ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಪೇರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾನು ಆಚೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲನ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಶೋರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ, ಡಾಮಿನಾರ್ ಮಾಡೋನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವಂತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಇವ್ರ ಕತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ಚು ಮತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಓರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ?
ಅದು ಓರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ. ಅದು
ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ, ಓಡಿಸಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ,
ಹಾಂ
ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ.
ಏನು? ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು.
ಏನು ಅದೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಕನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪುಷ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಪುಷ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಈಸಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೈತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನೋ ತೊಂದರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ನಾವು ಗಾಡಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಅದು ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ? ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಎರರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
ಓವರ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾನ ಇದಾದಾಗ ಆ ಥರ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಓವರ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಆದರೆ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಅದು ಪುಷ್ ಆಗದೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಆ ಥರ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ. ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಡಗಿರುವಂತೆ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ an under 200 rupees item, that's all these guys are shipping to somebody else in the city itself. Ba no preference for customers, nothing. What shit, man. ಶೋರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾನು ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, ಇದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಡೀಲರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಹಾಂ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಇವನು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಾಮಾನ. ಅವನು ಹುಡುಗ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡವನೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಅನ್ನಪ್ಪ. ರಾಜ್ ಆಟೋಮೊಬೈಲ್ಸ ಏನದು? ರಾಜ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ನು ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಹೇಳ್ದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡ, ಓಡಿಸು ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಂ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ?